What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Coco here. If you're new, thank you for stopping by, and make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. My tutorial today is on this everyday simple look. If you'd like to see how I achieve this look, just stay tuned. Fresh face. Anyways, to start, I am going to be using my Anastasia brow wiz pencil and a color dark brown. Yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and trace my brows with that. Yeah, the pencil seemed a little too dark because I was at the mall the other day and I was in a hurry. I just went ahead and grabbed the pencil without even paying attention. Yes, but to correct that, I am going to go ahead and grab my e.l.f. and medium brown, I believe. I will leave all the info in the comment section below. Yes, I'm just going to go ahead and apply that to my brows to make it look a little bit more realistic, because you don't want your eyebrows to be black. To fix my brows, I am going to go ahead and grab my Anastasia contour kit in medium. And yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and fix my brows with that.
I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you.
Next, I am going to go ahead and grab my LA Girl Pro Concealer in a shade Pure Beige, and I am going to go ahead and apply that all over my eyelid and make sure I try to blend that in as much as I can, guys. Next, I am going to go ahead and grab my Sacha cup to set my concealer up. And this is just a clear lip gloss that I got from my local beauty supply store. It's coconut oil. Next, I am going to grab this Nude palette that I got probably, I don't even know how long ago, guys, but it was really cheap. Yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and grab that color right there and apply that on my crease. And next, I am going to grab my hard candy palette that I got from Walmart, pretty cheap, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply that as well on my crease. And these are the lashes that I'm using today. I decided to do my lashes off camera. Next, I am going to go ahead and grab my Natural Radiance Base Lumiere pre+prime from MAC, and I'm going to apply that on my face and massage my face with that. Next, I am going to go back with my contour kit from Anastasia, and I'm going to grab this orange shade here and apply that on my dark spot, and I'm just using my fingers to do that, guys. Next, I'm gonna go with my Nars foundation, and ladies, this foundation right here is the ish. I love this foundation so much. I tried so many foundation in the past, yeah, but so far this is what I like so far. But yeah, I'm just using my Real Technique brush to blend that in. And to highlight my face, I am going to be using my Black Opal foundation stick Heavenly Honey to highlight. And this is also from Black Opal, and this is Ember. I'm just going to apply that on my cheek. To blend that in, I am using my beauty sponge from Real Technique. Yes, I'm just going to go ahead and use that to blend this whole highlights, contouring cheek, whatever in. Yeah, guys. But yeah, it's getting a little hot in here. I'm just going to go ahead and dim the light a little bit. Be baking my face with the Sacha Buttercup again. And ladies, this is the shit. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and apply that in a contoured area. Next, I am going to grab my glow kit from Anastasia. I am going to use bronze first, and for the extra glow, I use Summer.
Until you break my thought.
Until you break my thought.
These sticks and stones will break.
They will break, they will break, they will break. Oh, 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 yeah, yeah. No, no.
Then I'm going to go ahead and grab my Sweet Chick palette that I got from my local beauty supply store. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply that on my cheeks. And that's it, guys. If you find the video helpful, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Love ya.
It's black and white, just let me go. It's only right for all I know. It's only matter. It's calico. It's black and white, 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 white.